Good morning, children. How are you today? Good? I am also good. So, our chapter 5 is going on. Okay, what we have done in our last periods? We have done parts of the plant and germination of a seed. Okay, you understood that? Good. So, today we will do parts of plant we eat. What? Parts of plant we eat. Which parts of plant we eat? Okay, take out your books and page number 63. Which page number? Page number 63. Okay, now we will do reading first. Plants give us food. That we all know, plants give us food. We eat different parts of a plant such as seed, roots, stems, leaves and fruit. We eat different parts of plant. In a form of seed also we eat, and leaves also we eat, fruits also, and roots also. Roots of some plants we eat. Firstly, we will come on seed. On what? Seed. Okay. Now see this. What it is? This is corn, and we eat the seeds of corn. What we eat? We eat seeds of corn. And what we make with corn? Popcorn. Popcorn also make with it. Okay. Next is wheat. What it is? See this? You can see wheat. Firstly we make flour with it, and then mama make chapati with it. What? Firstly we make flour with it, aata banta hai isse, then mama make chapati with it. Okay, these are also seeds. Now rice. See rice. We all eat rice. See these? Okay, rice. These are also seed we eat. Okay, these corn, wheat and rice, they are seeds we eat. Okay. Now reading. Corn, wheat and rice are some seeds that we eat. Do you know the popcorn is prepared from corn? That I told you. Popcorn is prepared from corn. The chapatis that we eat at home are made of flour, which is prepared from wheat. Understood? Okay, firstly what we do? Firstly we make flour with wheat, and then we make chapati with it. Now roots. Which roots we eat? See this. This is carrot. Okay, carrot is also a root. Okay, ये कहाँ होती है? जमीन के नीचे, under the soil. और ऊपर क्या होता है? Leaves. Okay, so carrot is a root we eat. Okay, and this is radish. Okay, this also grow under the ground and leaves comes out only. So it is also root we eat. Okay, carrot, radish and turnip are some plant roots that we eat. These are cooked to prepare different curries. Okay, we make curries with these roots. Carrot and radish are also eaten raw in salads. Means carrot and radish we can eat raw, means कच्चा खाते हैं, in salad. We also prepare pickles from carrots and turnip. Your mama makes carrot pickle. We can prepare pickle from carrot and turnip. Okay, now stem. Now which stem we eat? See this. This is lotus stem. What it is? This is lotus stem. Like this. Okay? ये लोटस फ्लावर जो होता है उसकी स्टेम होती है. This wheat, it is a stem, and potato. Potato also a stem that we eat. It is a stem. Okay. Now, we also eat the stem of some plants. Sugarcane means गन्ना आपने देखा है. Sugarcane, lotus stem, I have shown you lotus stem, and potato are some stems of plants that we eat. Sugar is made from sugar cane. From where sugar comes? Sugar comes from sugar cane. Lotus stems is used to prepare a curry. Okay, lotus stem से क्या बनती है? Curry. Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 64. Okay, now leaves. Which leaves we eat? See this. This is a cabbage. See this. These are leaves of cabbage. See. Okay. See this. Leaves we eat of cabbage. These are leaves. See. Okay. And spinach. And coriander, धनिया मम्मा लाती है ना, coriander, that we eat as a leaf. So take out page number 64. The leaves of some plants are commonly eaten by us, like cabbage, spinach, and fenugreek. Fenugreek means methi. Are some example of green leafy vegetables. They are very good for a healthy body. These vegetables are very good for our health. So we should eat spinach, cabbage, fenugreek. Okay. Now we will come on fruits. Okay. See this. Which fruit it is? Apple. Which fruit it is? Apple. And this one? Banana. Which one is this? Banana. See this? Which fruit it is? Orange. Orange. And this one? This one is grapes. Okay? So we will do reading. We all like eating fruits. Some are sweet like mangoes and some are tangy like orange. Jams and jellies are also prepared from fruits. Jams and jellies also prepared by fruits, and some fruits are very sweet like mango, apple, and some are tangy. Tangy means यार थोड़ा खट्टे होते हैं, like orange and grapes also. Okay, now we will do this. Circle the odd one out. Okay, circle the odd one out मतलब जो अलग है इस ग्रुप में उसको सर्कल करना है. See, leaves that we eat. Coriander leaves, spinach, it is also leaf. Potato, potato is a leaf. No, it is a stem. So we will circle on potato. Turn the page. See this. Fruits that we eat. Radish is a fruit? No. Apple and banana is a fruit. So we will circle on radish. Seeds we eat. Corn is seed. Wheat is also seed. And turnip? No, turnip is a root. So we will circle on turnip. Now roots we eat. Turnip I told you, turnip is a root. Orange is a fruit. And carrot is also a root. So this one is different. So we will circle on it. Stems that we eat. Stem, potato is a stem. Carrot is a root. And sugarcane is a stem. So we will circle on carrot. Okay. Now take out your workbooks. Now in workbook, this one, take out page number 46. Page number 46, take out. See this. Name the following. Name the following. First is a vegetable which is a stem. Potato. Potato is a stem. You can write lotus stem also, but we have written here potato. A seed from which chapatis are made. Chapatis with wheat flour we make. So we write wheat. A root used in salads. Carrot. Carrot and radish both used in salad. The part of a plant which is called its kitchen. I told you leaf is the part of a plant that is called kitchen. Okay? The part of a plant which helps it to stand. Stem helps the plant to stand. Okay, now we will do this filling the blanks. Number 1. A dash is also called the kitchen of a plant. Kitchen of a plant is leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. The fragrance of a dash spreads around. Flower. A fragrance of a flower spreads around. Dash often tastes sweet. What? Fruits. Means fruits का taste मीठा होता है ज़्यादातर fruits का. Fruits often taste sweet. The stem of a plant grows above the ground. Ground से ऊपर उगती है ना stem. The stem of a plant grows above the ground. Next, the process by which a seed grows into a seedling is called germination. Okay, the process by which a seed grows. कैसे seed grows करता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? Germination. A plant grow in soil. A plant grows in soil. Okay. Now next, number G. A plant needs soil, water, sunlight and air to grow. A-I-R, air. Now number 5, this you have to do in homework. I am a fruit and yellow in color. You have to see the picture and complete the spelling. Banana, chili, corn and this neem. Okay, what it is? Neem. Now next page. This is also you have to do in homework. Page number 48. Circle the names of 6 different types of plant which are hidden in the following grid and write them in the space provided below. See, this is coconut, this is rice, turnip, wheat, rose and neem. We found and then we have to write name here. Okay, like this you have to do. This is your homework. Okay, got it? That's all for today. Bye. Have a nice day.